Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my Scout in About channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to use the Scout in About Engineering Activity Pack. So included in this pack, you should have some sticks as well as a piece of modeling clay. So for this activity, you might want to work on a paper or a placemat as the residue from the clay can leave marks. First things first, you might want to go ahead and break up your clay into smaller pieces or balls. You'd also want to check if your sticks have these loose edges, and if so, you might want to just pull those away before we start the activity. Now for our younger learners, we are just going to go ahead and start with basic shapes. So you're just going to take a stick and on the edge you are going to place a piece of clay. We're then going to take a second stick and you are going to place it in that same piece of clay as we try and form our basic shapes. Now for our students who are a bit advanced in this activity, we are going to go ahead and try to make a 4-dimensional shape. And we can do this by setting out our base and then using different shapes to try and create a 4D effect. And then you just continue building, adding onto your structure with whatever pieces you may have left. And there you have it. You can use this process to build as many 4D structures as you like. Have fun and we'll see you in the next one.